Hey guys, Fred here. Welcome back to Motovan TV. Today, Bart and I are going to proceed to the unboxing of the new Zox Zenith full face helmet.
So we already have the black and blue here.
Yes, that's the Monza graphic.
Like the track?
Like the track,
yeah.
Exactly. It's available in solid colors, in glossy black and matte black. And in this graphic here, which is called the Monza graphic, we have red, black, blue and black, black high-vis yellow, and black and white.
It's beautiful, like it's a matte black.
Matte finish, yes.
Yep.
Honestly, Zox did a great job with this helmet. Very lightweight. You know, the shape is, as you can see, a very sporty actual shape.
Yeah.
Ventilation, like very good ventilation in the front. Top vents here. Rear extraction vent to get the heat and the humidity out. So just to continue along here, we're talking about the shape. I don't know if you noticed either the interior. What a great finish to the interior. Very high quality, Coolmax interior. Removable, of course, so it's washable.
Okay.
You can wash it in the washing machine, but you can't dry it in the
so
dryer. You just let it air dry. Exactly. Okay. One thing also, while I have it upside down here, there is the quick release buckle, which is more and more popular. So instead of having the D-ring, you just pull. So you pre-adjust it.
So really easy to remove.
Exactly. You pre-adjust it one time when you buy the helmet or when you try that at the dealership, and then after that it's just to.
So you don't have like the double.
Exactly, the double D-ring and have to do the loop. So very quick, very easy.
Also, I can see there is like an inner sun visor.
Yes, good. That's a good catch, Bart. It's the inner sun visor. So what it does is
see it here.
Yeah, exactly. So if ever a cloudy day and suddenly it clears up, super sunny, you have the interior with the little lever here, and you just drop it down like that, and you have your
nice and easy.
Yeah, the
so
sun
you don't
protection.
have like to carry your sunglasses like and trying to fit it.
No, exactly. So no problems with that. So you don't have, and also when you have glasses in your helmet, you know you could feel it, and it's not as comfortable.
Yeah.
This is UV protected, so we don't have to worry about that. And so overall, really good job. Really
looks
beautiful
very nice.
helmet.
Something else that I noticed is on the visor. There is like a little pin here and there, like on both sides of the visor. What are those?
Well, those actually are pins to be able to add a Pinlock anti-fog system. So basically what it is, it's a special lens that you could buy as an accessory. It's installed by the interior. So either on a rainy day or a cold morning or a cold evening. Sometimes there's problems with the visor. Fogging up. Exactly. So with the Pinlock lens, you have no problems with any fogging problems.
Okay. I noticed here we have like the sticker, the DOT sticker. So the helmet is certified.
Yes, exactly. The helmet is certified DOT. So a very safe helmet, and of course legal to use on our roads.
All right. So now that we saw all the features, a question that I have is, what about the price?
Good question. So you'd think a beautiful helmet like this that it would be a pretty expensive helmet, but actually
it looks amazing.
Exactly, it does look amazing, and the price is even more amazing. So we talk about solid blacks are $159.99.
Oh wow!
And if you choose to go with the Monza graphic, it's $169.99.
Wow! So it's very affordable.
Very affordable. So that's it for the unboxing of the new Zox Zenith full face helmet. For all your helmet or helmet accessory needs, please visit motovan.com.
If you guys like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook at Motovan Inc.